Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper freezer shelf in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper freezer shelf. This upper freezer shelf is located in the upper portion of the freezer compartment. The most common reason to replace the upper freezer shelf is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or no longer supports the load. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. This is the upper freezer shelf that we're going to replace. As you can see, we have a black spacer in the corner there at the back that is used for delivery and installation of the fridge. You may have it or may not. In our case, we do have it, so we need to remove it before we proceed with removal of the shelf. Simply push it down and take it off. To remove the shelf, we're going to lift up the left side and push it to the left. So it will go inside. Then I'm going to lift up the right side and slide out the left side. Alright guys, we need to remove this trim first. And it's going to be pushed off. This is the old upper freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new shelf in, we're going to mount this trim on. And I'm going to slide on, press it in. To install the new shelf in, we're going to slide these two pins in to the holes, push it in, and press down the right side. And now I can move it to the right. And now I'm going to put this spacer back on. It's not necessary, but as long as it was there, we're going to place it back in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.